Still on market structure. In this video, we'll be discussing all the rules and guidelines when reading a market structure. Before a swing point is verified as a break of structure, price must break structure with a candle that closes above or below the previous high or low. So when reading a structure, before you confirm it as a break of structure, you have to be sure that price breaks structure with a candle close from either direction, either from an uptrend or a downtrend, before you can verify it as a swing high or a swing low. So second guideline is before a correction or pullback is verified as a swing point, price must create a two opposite candle. So price must create at least a two opposite candle. So before you verify an area as a correctional phase or a pullback phase, or let me just say a swing point phase, you have to be sure that price creates at least two opposite candle. So looking at this diagram here now, coming from this first part, you can see here is being marked as a BOS. The BOS represents for break of structure. So anywhere you see me putting a trend line indicating BOS, I'm trying to tell you that this is a break of structure. So looking at this first break of structure, you can see that price broke this structure with a candle close, which you can see the candle closed above this area. It opened below here and closed above this area, making it a valid break of structure. So anytime you're marking out a break of structure, if price breaks that structure with only a wick, you see a wick pierced up and price did not close above the previous high, it's not a valid break of structure. The same thing to a downtrend. So if price is breaking structure to the downside, you have to close with a candle body before it is being verified as a break of structure. Looking at this next break of structure, the same thing, candle closed with a body of candle closed above the previous high, making it a valid break of structure. Looking at this same area again, you can see the same thing, it closed above the area, making it a valid break of structure. So when we are talking about price creating a swing point in a correctional phase to have at least two opposite candle, when price breaks structure, before you can verify the pullback as a pullback area, you need to see at least two candle close. So immediately you see a two candle close, it's not verified that it's a break of structure and price is now on a correctional phase. So seeing this correctional phase is telling you that the two opposite candles is telling you that this is the correctional phase starting and it can end at any time. So seeing it is giving is a clear verification that price is in a correctional phase. And if price breaks structure again and you see a two candle close, indicating that it's time price is doing a correctional phase. But if price does a one candle close, opposite candle and start trading to the upside, the correctional phase haven't started. The price is still in an expansion phase, still expanding to the upside. So when you're reading a structure, you have to put those two things in mind so that you don't get confused, because trading on its own is already subjective. Our plan is to make it objective. So having an objective plan to it makes it a valid trend. Now, what is change of character? Change of character is when price change trend, either from uptrend to downtrend. So it's either when price change trend from an uptrend to a downtrend, or from a downtrend to an uptrend. That is what is called a change of character. So when reading a trend, you know that price doesn't go on a straight trend. It doesn't stay in an uptrend forever. It has to change trend, either to a downtrend or to an uptrend. So during those process, how to identify the price have changed trend is known as identifying the change of character. So here is a line example. Looking from the very first part here, you can see price going up, breaking structure to the upside. The very moment that price broke structure to the downside, so this is from an uptrend to a downtrend. Immediately price broke structure to the downside, you can see I labeled it change of character. It's at this point the price changed character to a downtrend before price started breaking structure to the downside. So breaking structure to the downside, you notice that price broke structure again to the upside. So this is when the downtrend transacts from a downtrend to an uptrend. breaking structure at this level, making it a change of character. So a change of character is when price change trend. So changing trend, if price were creating higher highs and higher lows, going to this point, price was supposed to create a higher low, but instead price created a lower low. So this lower low is telling you that price have changed character, changing from this uptrend to this downtrend. The same thing goes to the downtrend. Price were creating lower low and lower high. Price was supposed to create a lower high, but instead price created a higher high, indicating that price have changed character from the downtrend to an uptrend before price are trading to the upside. So when reading a trend, you need to know when price have changed character. So going to the same image, you can see where price changed character from an uptrend to a downtrend, where price broke structure to the downside. Since creating this lower low, price created a lower high and a lower low. Because coming from this area, price are creating higher highs, higher low, higher highs, but price created a lower low. After the lower low, price created a lower high and another lower low, changing the trend from an uptrend to a downtrend. The same thing goes from a downtrend to an uptrend. Price will come in with a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. But now price created a higher high, higher low, higher high. This is telling you that price have changed character from a downtrend to an uptrend, changing character to the upside. So now we'll be diving to the charts where we'll be doing a live example where I'll be using a replay reading structure for you live. So let's move to the chart. So now that we are on the chart, we'll be doing a little exercise where we'll be forwarding price to read the market structure. So this is on a replay, so we'll be forwarding price further so that we can read the structure as the price moves. So looking at the structure from this area, you can see this is the last break of structure to the downside, indicating this market is in a downtrend. With a clear look, you can see the price will be creating a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and a last lower low. So this is the last lower low. So now we'll be pushing price further to see so that we can read the current trend. So price is still on a downtrend, traded to the downside. So price broke structure again. So there is a break of structure. So remember, our rules of a break of structure, price must break structure with a candle close. So you can see this candle closed, indicating a clear break of structure. So that's why you need your rules so that you'll be more and you'll be well sure that you are reading the trend the right way. So playing up the price further, you can see price at this point, price have transacted from a downtrend to an uptrend, because remember, if price changed the trend, because price was creating a lower high and a lower low, but now price did a higher high. So this is telling you that price have changed trend from a downtrend to an uptrend. So we'll be marking here as a change of character as a point that price change trend. So we'll mark it as a break of structure because after the break of structure, price change trend to an uptrend. So keep playing price further to read the price action, and you can see it met our rules, having a full candle closed above the previous high. So let's play price forward and see. So price is still moving. Now we can see that here is not a break of structure. Looking at this area here now, it's not a break of structure because price did not break this structure with the candle body. So which means here is still our swing point. This is still our swing low to the swing high. So till price break either of this level to tell us the current trend, but now price is still in an uptrend. So we'll play price forward to see where price will lead to. So price have broke structure to the downside. So the first attempt did not break structure, but this second attempt breaks structure with a candle body. So the candle closed below the area, making it a clear break of structure. So reading the structure the right way is one of the most important things when trading. You have to read the structure the right way so that you can know which trend you are in. So now price have transacted from an uptrend back to a downtrend. So let's play price forward. So price is still trading to the downside. Here is another candle closed, getting a break of structure. So remember, before an area is being called a correctional phase, because this is the correctional phase, you must see at least two opposite candle, after the break of structure. So you can see price broke the structure, did two opposite candle, at least two opposite candle. You can see one here, two here, before the break of structure. So this is telling us that this is a correctional phase, so it's a valid swing point. So now it's a swing high to a swing low. So if price breaks structure to the downside, which means price is continuing the down trend. So we'll play price more further. Price did not break structure, so which means here is still our swing high to swing low. So till price break either of those sides before telling us that price is still either in a downtrend or in an uptrend. So price is still consolidating. So you see, reading the structure the right way will keep you away from consolidational points like this to know how to attack the market the right way. So play price forward. So you can see now price have broken structure, still indicating that price is still in a downtrend. So price indicating that it's still in a downtrend. We'll be marking this area as a break of structure because price broke structure now with a candle body. To marking it as a break of structure, we'll be playing price further. So let's play price further. Price is still in a downtrend. So now price have broken this high here. The last swing point is this area here, swing high to the swing low. So price have broken the area at this top, indicating that price have changed character from a downtrend to an uptrend. So we'll be marking it as a break of structure to the upside. So this is the right way to read the structure. When reading the structure, you need to pay attention to the break of structure and where price have changed character to avoid any unnecessary losses in your account and reading the market the right way. So you can see this candle have created at least two opposite side candle. You can see two opposite side candle indicating that this is now a correctional phase. The price break this structure at the top to verify that price is now in an uptrend. So price broke structure to the upside, indicating that price is now in an uptrend, breaking the structure with a candle body. So looking at this example, you can see something that is well significant here. The first time that price tried to break the structure, it came with a wick. This is not the break of structure. Price came back. It was when price broke the structure with a candle body, where a candle body closed above this high. That is now verified as a break of structure. So indicating as a break of structure. Now here is now our swing low to a swing high. So till price break to the upside, indicating an uptrend, or price breaking the downside, indicating the price have changed character to a downtrend. So sticking to your rules will help you to identify a change of character and a break of structure earlier to avoid any further losses. So price have pushed down, trying to change the character. So let's put our line to see if price have broken structure. So you can see price have broken structure with a close with a candle body, indicating that price have broken structure to the downside. So staying on the right side of the market is the best advantage for you to ride the market. We're playing price further. So price have done at least two candle pullback. Now we need to see a candle close to verify as the swing points. So since the break of structure, this has have been the two opposite side constant closed candle. So let's play price forward. Okay, price is still in an okay. So this is the break of structure. This is indicating the break of structure because price have broken this area as a break of structure with a candle body. So we'll be marking it as a break of structure. So why me doing this, showing you the plain way to read a trend, the basic way to read a trend, because we either retail or smart money trader all read the trend the same way. So you need to learn how to read the trend the right way. Sticking to the change of character, knowing a change of character, and knowing when price have broken structure, and knowing when price have done a correctional move. So you can see price is still in a downtrend, breaking structure to the downside. So you can see aligning yourself with the trend gives you an advantage to catch in moves like this, because you already know price in a downtrend till price closed above this area with a candle body, and you see it came with a wick but did not close above the highs here, and you can see price started trading down to the downside before closing below. So this will save you a lot of time, because you wouldn't get into the trap of trying to buy at this point, because you know the price haven't broken structure to the upside with a candle body. So this is the last breakout structure, indicating that price is still in a down trend. So play price for that to see where price is going. So price is still, so prices have broken structure again, indicating the price have broken structure to the downside. So going through all this example, you can see how I apply the rules, and stick to the guideline to read the structure the right way. And you can see so far me reading this structure, I've been following the structure according to the trend. I followed it immediately. It changed trend to the upside. You already know that price have changed trend to the upside. You'll be riding the trend along with it. When price change trend to the downside, you already know and you'll be riding with it, riding the trend to the downside. So reading the structure the right way helps you to stay aligned with the market. So I think that's all for this video. See you in the next video.